Hey guys, let's talk. So this is not the typical video that I bring you guys, but we need to have a little bit of a discussion, just one-on-one or one on 200, whoever watches this, about Walgreens and what's going on with Walgreens. I've noticed the past month that other creators, other websites are saying things, and it's really getting people in a huff and nervous about couponing at Walgreens. Now, I know this might not seem serious, and it's not serious at all. It's just something that needs to be laid out there for everyone to know what's going on. Now, I'm not laying blame on creators at all. We only are human, and we only go with what we know, what we see, what we hear. We can only talk about what we know. And if somebody or we see something and read something, we just produce it and give it to our viewers, our watchers, so that they can make the best decisions. So we only can talk about what we know. But I wanted to clear some things up to help you guys out with what I know. So I'm gonna put up some screenshots here of what's going on and to help you guys out, and you can take some notes. You can do with what you will, but I feel like I wouldn't be a good creator if I didn't tell you everything I know. So we all know Walgreens has made a lot of changes, particularly with getting register rewards with curbside pickup orders. We know that that has stopped, and we do not anymore get register rewards on pickup orders. But the thing that is going around right now is that we won't get Walgreens cash on pickup orders. Another one that I seen a few weeks ago, maybe about a month ago, is that we wouldn't get register rewards if we paid with Walgreens cash. So those are the two things that I have seen that I definitely want to address in this video. Also, if you hear any clicking, it's my handy dandy remote. So anywho, let's get into things. So this week right now, we have register reward deals and we have Walgreens cash deals. The thing is, we need to know what to look out for when we're looking on the website. So right now, if you were to do the Tresemme as a curbside pickup order, you would not get a register reward. If you were to go in store and shop, you would get the register reward, or you're supposed to get the register reward. Now I'm gonna put up right here, if you were to get the Tresemme and order it and have it shipped to home, you would get Walgreens cash, and it says so on the website. But that Walgreens cash is only for ship to store, and how I know this is because when you look at the ad, you are supposed to get a register reward. So in some cases, when you do ship to home for register reward deals, you will get the Walgreens cash. Now, here's another example. When you do the deal this week where it's buy two, get four, or buy two, get five, and you buy the Super Floss, that's for $2.79. I'll show you right here. When you look on the website, it shows nothing. So that means when you see it something like that, you know that this is a register reward deal in store. You know that if you were to order it and have it shipped home, you still would get nothing. And that's not because of anything that has changed. That is just this deal here in particular. Sorry for the birds and the crows out there. You would not get anything back. You would only be able to do this one in store. So that's what I mean by looking out for clues on the website. So when we know better, we can do better, and we know that we will not get anything unless we go in store and purchase this. So another example that I want to show you is with the Dollar Shave Club. So in my best deals video from last week for the deals this week, I talked about Dollar Shave Club being buy one, get $2 in Walgreens cash. It says so here on the website that you would also get $2 in Walgreens cash. So when we look at this and we look at the ad, we know that we will get Walgreens cash in store. So when we see it on the website, we know that we will also get it shipped to home and when we pick it up. Now, here's the thing that I'm seeing in the community, that people seeing that there will be no more Walgreens cash with pickup orders. That is incorrect. And the reason why I want to say that is incorrect, because number one, with all the new updates, I've looked through everything. There is not one thing stating that we will no longer get Walgreens cash on pickup orders. I want to reiterate to everybody, including myself, that to not get caught up in the hype and to remain calm when we hear things until we have some sort of official statement or official rule change from Walgreens. So in my regular Walgreens video that I did yesterday, I showed you a curbside pickup order that I did, where I did the deal where you spend $40, you get back $15 in Walgreens cash. And that includes things like Neutrogena, Aveeno, Lubriderm, and Clean and Clear. I also had a spend booster on my account for spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So I did the promotion. I spent $40 and I think 33 cents. And I used my coupons. I paid with cash though, and I got back $20 in Walgreens cash when I picked it up. Several other creators that I know, either on Instagram or on YouTube, did pick up orders and they got Walgreens cash. Now you can say, all right, they're getting their Walgreens cash. The change isn't in effect yet in my area or something like that. There is no change announced. So we know that as of right now, we are still going to get Walgreens cash for the foreseeable future. So I want to show you a couple of more examples before I let you guys go. That way, when you are looking at the ad and when you're looking at the actual products online, you know what you're looking at and what it means. So for example, when you look at the ad, it says that Almay Cosmetics are buy two, get back a $4 register reward. When you go to actually type in Almay Cosmetics and you look at some of their products, it will show that there's nothing there. Absolutely nothing there when you purchase the product either online or for curbside pickup. So we know that when we look at that, that is a deal that we can do in store and we'll get the register reward. Now, of course, I'm not talking about when we go and we buy a product and we're supposed to get a register reward and we don't for various reasons unbeknownst to us because of Walgreens and the issues that they have with getting register rewards. So we're not talking about that type of thing. Another one I want to show you is the Bic. We know that the Bic razors are buy two, get five this week. When you go and look at the razors online, it shows nothing as well. So we know that when it shows absolutely nothing there, except maybe the coupons or a coupon code, that we can only do this deal in store and get a register reward. We won't get any type of Walgreens cash if we order it and have it shipped to us. Here's one more example that I want to give you, and I am looking at a computer screen as well, so I do apologize if I'm, looking away. The Olay body wash, the fancier kind that's in the round tube with the pump, that's about $8, usually $10. That is on a promotion online. When you buy two soaps, you'll get $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, when you look at the ad, it just shows that there's a coupon 5 off of 3, and they're for $8 on sale. It doesn't show in the ad that we're getting a register reward or any type of Walgreens cash. So the only way we would know what we were supposed to be getting in store or as a curbside pickup is if we go into the store, and that's unfortunate. And that is a slight mishap, not a mishap, but that is one thing that is a downfall with Walgreens. So if that Olay Premium Body Wash is a register reward deal, then when it shows on here where it says $5 in Walgreens cash back, that means you can get it in store and get a register reward, and that if you have it shipped to your house, you will get Walgreens cash. But if you do a curbside pickup, you will get nothing. And so I can understand why people would think that if they see that and they go to do a curbside pickup, that they'll get the Walgreens cash. And I really hope that Walgreens can make some slight but positive changes to this type of process, because it is confusing. So personally, if I ran Walgreens, I would put under the additional perks section, I would say, buy two, get back $5 in Walgreens cash for ship to home. Underneath it, I would say buy two, get a $5 register reward in store. Curbside pickup, blank, or something like that. You know what I mean? That would really clear up a lot of confusion. But until that ever, if that ever comes, until that happens, then we have to have people that kind of like me, other people like me, to explain it to you guys so that you know what's going on. Now, one last thing that I want to point out, and I'll put something up here on the screen to show you, is when we are doing orders on the app or online and it says estimated Walgreens cash, that does not mean we're going to get Walgreens cash back when we go to pick up an order. That means it is an estimation of what we could possibly get, depending on a lot of different factors. So at first, even though we say we're going to do a pickup order, the system doesn't know that it's going to be a pickup order or not, or if it's going to be a ship to store once it's in that screen and in that process. Why, I don't know. But that is always just an estimation, and we can never ever rely on that on what we're supposed to get back. So that is very important to know that, and I know a lot of people already know that, but we just need to know that that estimation is going to say Walgreens cash, because in somewhere in the system it is showing we'll get Walgreens cash, but it doesn't let us know specifically because it doesn't exactly know how we're getting the order yet, if that makes sense. But I do want to say that with the technology that we have nowadays, it shouldn't be that hard, you know what I mean? From Walgreens' standpoint and a person like me, it shouldn't be that hard to have a more solid estimate or a more concrete answer of what we're going to be getting and receiving and all that stuff like that. So to reiterate, we are still going to be getting Walgreens cash on curbside pickup orders. We are not going to be getting register rewards on curbside pickup orders anymore, which, side note, I don't understand why they took that away. I don't think they should have taken that away. I just don't understand that. And I wish we had a reason, but that's just my type of brain. Number 3, we will still get Walgreens cash on certain orders that are shipped to home, but are a deal in store that you will get back a register reward. And number 4, we of course will get Walgreens cash and register rewards in in-store deals. So in order to tell the difference, we have to know what we're looking at on the website. So let's have a discussion down in the comments section. If you have any questions, I will definitely do everything I can to answer those questions as best as I can. I am not here to sugarcoat anything. I am here to give you the honest truth. I am not here to gloss over things and try to make things all pretty and nice for views, for money, nothing like that. I am here to tell you what I know and what I see. I am also here to not shame any creator ever. That is not my style. That is not me. I don't do that. I have been a YouTuber since January 2019, and I am not going anywhere. I'm here to help build a positive community amongst content creators and viewers. I really am. So that is my piece. I hope I cleared some things up for you, and I am here to answer your questions down in the description or down in the comments section. So anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there, guys. Stay healthy and stay kind to one another. Bye.